Being an entrepreneur is not for everyone because entrepreneurship is a lonely journey. Most people who start a business think that they will make instant millions from the comfort of their home. However, if you have decided to be an entrepreneur, then you should be informed that the journey ahead is not going to be all smooth. Welcome to this channel, Lifestyle Tips by Antoaneta. Here we discuss business, motivation, and daily lifestyle that will help you to have a balanced and successful life. We are committed to helping you grow your business and develop all other aspects of your life. Before we continue, subscribe to this channel to get notified early whenever we make a new video. Entrepreneurship means you are starting your business and building it from scratch with the little you have. There will be days when you will feel like quitting it all and running away from reality. But all I can assure you is that if you work hard and smart, you will always keep your head above water. Will there be hard days? The reality of being an entrepreneur is that there will be lots of hard days. There are countless sacrifices to be made for you to be successful. When I first started as an entrepreneur, I faced many challenges and made a lot of mistakes. However, the mistakes gave me a lot of experience that brought me this far. Building a successful business is a long-term process, and there is no such thing as overnight success. Some hard days will lead to failure, and we need to accept it. For instance, you may need to invest a lot into different marketing strategies before discovering the one that works well for you. Don't allow fear to stop you from going all the way. Patience is the key that opens the door to success. When growing a business from scratch, it will take time before you begin to see the reward of your effort. Deciding to be an entrepreneur is easy, to remain in the game is what is difficult. It will take plenty of time to get everything working in your favor, so don't be in a hurry. Instead, live in the moment and enjoy every bit of it. It is best if you could persevere through the tough days when it will seem that the whole world is cooperating to go against you. It's always tough in the beginning. That is why successful people have stories to share. In whatever situation you find yourself, practice patience. Learn to slow down things and breath. Think about what you can do to make things better. When you are patient, you will focus more on opportunities and solutions. Here are the harsh realities of being an entrepreneur. Number 1. Dealing with customers is difficult. As an entrepreneur, you will need to know how to endure and deal with customers and personalities. You may not fully understand this until you begin to converse with customers. You will get to know how they are. There is a common saying that customer is always right. This is not true, and it's challenging to deal with. Some customers can be so impatient. What do you do when you come across such customers? Try as much as possible to explain the situation to them. Let them know how long they will have to wait. In all your dealings, be honest, clear and transparent. Number 2. You are going to fail countless times. A harsh reality about being an entrepreneur is that you will fail more than you succeed. As an entrepreneur, you have to see failing as a normal thing that happens in your path. It's all part of the process. To avoid shock, it will help if you are mentally prepared for its occurrence. All entrepreneurs fail. What makes the difference is how you use failure to your advantage. Failure is inevitable, but it shouldn't be viewed as an ending. It should be the beginning of an incredible journey. You failing at something means you have successfully learned how that particular thing cannot be done. Number 3. You will deal with a lot of criticism and rejection. This is one of the most brutal realities of being an entrepreneur. Many people are going to give you a tough time. Whether you ask for their opinions or not, they will always say something that will displease you. However, it will be best for you to consider the positive criticism that will help you improve and grow. Then, what do you do about negative criticism? Don't take it to heart. Block their voice and prevent it from stopping your success. Number 4. Enjoying a personal life is next to impossible. Once you become an entrepreneur, it will become difficult to enjoy some days off. There will be lots of things you need to put on hold to see your business succeed. However, you need to find a way to have fun and rest. If you do not rest, it will negatively affect your health and business. You need to strike a balance between work, family, and life as a whole. One of the tips to make your business easy is understanding that you alone cannot get all the tasks done. As a startup, if you are alone, it's understandable, but don't hesitate to get more people on your team as time goes on. Finally, the reality is, not every business venture has a smooth ride. Being an entrepreneur is hard. It is not an easy path. It comes with a lot of unknown and hard to know. However, it is essential to persevere through the storm that comes your way. There will be no fixed hours of work, and the work will never end. It will help if you are constantly switched on, thinking of different ways to make things work out for your good despite all odds. I hope you enjoy this video. Do well to share your business experience with us in the comments section below. Please, do like, share and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos for you to be more successful. Thank you for watching this video. And remember, always stay very motivated. See you in our next video.